Thank you. What can you say about the zebra?
Whoa! I like the pattern.
Very.
Patiti. Kami patiti.
Very cute, no?
But Dad, did you know that their tongues are actually blue? Yeah. They're actually blue.
Bottle pattern taminda, no? Lobing grande elephant.
Sabi orang kasabot. Ya po. At siniptan sa pari.
Apa yung tamang dala?
Hindi ba? Ito sila.
Kunti na lang.
What makes that sound?
Chongo. Lang sabi hila ko ang sabot. Mira to Ros. Kuna sa to laliba kun mamay. Manday ra sabot. To klase tayo la sabot Ros, no?
What's that book?
Grass mira to. Tas roll cover ano.
Vegetarian kasi lang.
Hi. Take a
Brave girl.
That's so cute.
That's it. Let everyone else look. And this side.
I've got crickets. These, as long as they're listening out for the alarm call, then they are generally quite safe.
Smile.
좋은 거였고.
좋은 거 옷.
이제는 double-chin.
Uy, chongo. Wala yung at chongo.
Mama.
Ikaw.
There you go. But Dad, did you know that their tongues are actually blue? Yeah. They're actually blue.
Bottle pattern taminda, no? Nice. La. There's another one. Wala, dalawang laki. Lang ganda.
Marijuana ito.
They're hitting each other. No, they're talking around. They're talking around.
Let me get down.
I Alice looking.
Kala Padrento Vulture, oh.
Kuna.
Patiti. Kaya patiti.
Yung cute, no?
Unexpect sila po.
This is it, oh.
Sila sa bara sentro ulit. Tongo. Tongo ka ligay. Oh, no, no.
What does that kind of remind me of, Jason?
Eating.
That reminds me of Jason.
Jason daw. Kaya paunan ako. Come Flores.